The secret sauce we've always known was in a time frame of people to try the experience. And what happened was we got away from it. We started hypergrowth as the 8-week experience. And 3 years ago, we felt like, well, people aren't really focusing on that anymore. It's not really as prominent. It's just kind of a bystander. So we dropped it. I don't know if y'all ever picked up on that, but we got away from the 8-week experience. And we were just the Thrive experience. And then light bulbs started going off. Man, there's not only magic in getting someone on our experience for that amount of time, no matter if you want to say 60 or 8 weeks, but then there's also magic in marketing a challenge to somebody, right? Do you get that? Like, people love that kind of ideal of committing to something. Like, yeah, I'm gonna do it. You know, you see a lot of things floating around out there, like the 75 hard, you know. The people like buying into an idea of sticking to something, committing to something.